I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001 2015, and today we are going to share a format for process control sheets. So here we go. Here you can see the front page where we mention the name of the company. Then underneath that is logo and the title of the document, process control sheets, and document number is 4.4.1/1209. There are 9 sheets in this, issue is 01. Then copy number and dated March 4 2023. Here you can mention the date on which you are preparing the sheets, and then the copyright. This is a confidential document of, you can put the name of the company. No part of this document is allowed to be copied in any form by any means without the permission of the managing director. Now we go to the next page, which is the index, and here I have put 9 sheets. See, these are only representative sheets of the processes. You may have different processes, maybe several other processes. So accordingly this is only a sample document. So I have mentioned here 9 processes for which the sheets are attached here. And we go to the first one, process control sheet for marketing. The very first step is marketing. So here you can see that on the left side, on how we mention how we prepare this sheet. What is the process about? So we describe the process here, or maybe mention the name of the procedure in which the process is described. And here the document number comes. Document number, you can see document number 4.4.1/01, issue 01, and dated. You can put the date on which you are preparing. And then the next column here, next figure here is competence. So as per document number, so you put the document number, and in this document you will describe the competency criteria. Now below this we are putting, in the center you can see that it is the process, and here you can see that the process is marketing, and the inputs to the process are described in this box, and the output here. So this is the process, these are the inputs to this process, and here is the output, and the supporting processes are described here, and the performance indicators are given here. So this sheet contains the way we carry out the process, the name of the process in the center, then the inputs to the process and the output of the process, and the supporting processes, and the performance indicators of these processes are mentioned in the figure here. So performance indicators for marketing are business growth, market coverage, and some other indicators are here, customer satisfaction index and repeat orders. So CSI is customer satisfaction index. As you can see in the output also it is described. So this is the sheet which describes the process completely. we are describing here who is capable of carrying out this process. The name of the process is in the center, and who is competent to carry out this process is described here. The document number is here, and how we carry out the process is here. Inputs to the process, and the process name is here, and the performance indicators of the process are indicated here. The output is here. So this is how the sheets are prepared, and now we go to the next sheet. Process control sheet, and number is 02, and here you can see design and development. So in the similar manner, all the things are described here. The design and development work is outsourced, and control is exercised as per procedure number. So we have got a procedure on design control, but we have outsourced this process. So the inputs are described here, and then the process, and then the output, and on the left side bottom box is the supporting processes, and the right side box at the bottom is performance indicators. So number of designs completed and customer satisfaction index, these are the two indicators. Now we go to the next sheet, which is 03, project planning. So sequentially, if we see, project planning is the third process, and this is also here also we have put the same kind of information, how the process is carried out. There is a procedure, we have put the name of the procedure, then the competence, how the procedure, who is capable of doing this process. So competency criteria is defined in the document there, and then this is project planning, this is the name of the process, and here we have the inputs, and here we have the output. These are supporting processes, and here we have the performance indicators. So this is how we have described this process, which is project planning. And then comes the project implementation. So the information in a similar manner is described here, and the output here is the completed project. So this is how we prepare the process control sheets, and the next process is project monitoring. So in a similar manner, we have given the information here, and you can prepare your sheet accordingly. So all the things are described here. We go to the next one, which is sheet number 06, and here as you can see, sheet number 06 is just a minute, let me push it further. It is production. So if you have a production shop also attached, then you can have this sheet, otherwise not. And then the next thing is purchase, and here you can see all the boxes are filled up with information relating to purchase. The purchase function is at the center. The inputs are coming to it. Purchase indents with the complete specifications, supplier data, and the indenter feedback. And the output is also mentioned here. Performance indicators are written, and the supporting processes. Now we go to the next sheet, and the next sheet is administration. So let us go to the next sheet. Let me see why it is not moving. Yeah, administration. So you can see the sheet for administration here, and accordingly you have the information available here. And now we go to the next one. Yeah, human resource. So the next sheet is human resource. And you can see the information relating to human resource here. Accordingly, you can prepare your sheet. So this is the 9th one. This was the last one, and this was sheet number 9. So sheet number 9 was the last one, and so you can note down the information here. So that is how we prepare the process control sheets for every function. What functions we have in the organization, it will depend, it will vary from one organization to the other. So accordingly, whatever are the processes within your organization, you have to prepare the process control sheets accordingly. And here you can see total 9 sheets are there, starting from, and here we have the index, the cover page, then the index, and then the sheet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and last one, the 9th one, human resource development. This is the last one. So I hope you have got a clear view of how these process control sheets are prepared, and accordingly you can carry out your document development, and you can prepare the document accordingly. I hope this is going to serve you as a guidance for preparing this document, and I shared this information with you so that it is easy for you to prepare this document. Okay, thank you very much, and if you are liking my videos, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and if you are if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it, and also press the bell icon so that as and when I load the video, the information will reach you without any delay, and you will be able to see my video accordingly. So thank you very much, and we meet on next Sunday on the next class. Okay, bye.